In a world where overpopulation and climate change are rapidly changing the way we live, the future of food has never been more important. Could lab-grown meat be the key to feeding the world sustainably? And what other innovations are on the horizon for a more sustainable way of eating? Lab-grown meat, also known as cultured or cell-based meat, is revolutionizing the food industry. Unlike traditional meat, which comes from slaughtered animals, lab-grown meat is produced by culturing animal cells in a lab. The process mimics the way animals grow muscle tissue, but without the environmental and ethical concerns associated with factory farming. Here's how it works. Scientists start with a small sample of animal cells, which are then placed in a nutrient-rich environment where they grow and multiply. Over time, these cells form muscle tissue, the very same tissue found in traditional meat. This method significantly reduces land use, water consumption and greenhouse gas emissions, making it an environmentally friendly alternative to conventional meat production. And the taste? Well, it's practically indistinguishable from the real thing. Early products made from lab-grown meat have already hit the market, with chefs around the world experimenting with these new ingredients. From burgers to steaks, lab-grown meat promises to deliver the flavors we crave without the environmental cost. Traditional meat production, on the other hand, has a massive environmental impact. It requires vast amounts of land, water and energy. Livestock farming is also a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. As the global population grows, the demand for meat is expected to increase, putting even more strain on our planet. By moving to lab-grown meat, we can dramatically reduce the environmental footprint of meat production. It could take 99% less land, 96% less water, and cut greenhouse gas emissions by up to 96%. This could be the solution we need to feed a growing world without destroying the planet. But lab-grown meat isn't the only solution to our food challenges. Innovations in sustainable farming, like vertical farming, hydroponics and plant-based foods, are also paving the way for a more sustainable future. These methods minimize land use and water consumption, and they reduce our reliance on harmful pesticides and fertilizers. Together, these innovations are creating a new, more sustainable food system. By embracing lab-grown meat and other sustainable food technologies, we can reduce our environmental impact, improve food security, and ensure that future generations have access to the nutrition they need. The future of food is here. And it's not just about what we eat, but how we eat. Lab-grown meat, sustainable farming and plant-based alternatives offer a way forward. A way that nourishes both people and the planet. What do you think? Are you ready to embrace the future of food?